Hey guys, Andy here. So regular viewers will know I like making videos about cycling at the moment, and one of the best options or best tools when doing that is using the GoPro. I've got different options for mounting the GoPro. One I use sometimes is just underneath the handlebar there, but the fixed mount position isn't that exciting a sort of or adaptable an option. So quite often I find myself hand holding and pointing around, but then there's times when you're trying to change gear, you need to brake, and it's just not a good idea. So I was asking recently on a forum, what's the way around this? And somebody mentioned a mouth mount, and I thought at first they were taking the mickey, but actually, no, here it is. And this is what we're taking a look at today. So this was actually the first time I rode with my new stem bag as well, which meant that I could fairly easily put the GoPro into the bag and take it back out again with one hand. Nice and easily accessible when you're riding along. And I think it's probably the first time I've ridden in the sunshine this year as well, so that was nice. Did 100k around sort of Hertfordshire area. So the big advantage over it being mounted to your bars or somewhere on your frame obviously is that you can look around and you can show the areas you're cycling through a bit better. There's a bit more sort of movement and I guess character to it rather than just being a fixed point on your frame. Now the GoPro's image stabilization and horizon leveling makes it look a little robotic, which I'm not sure about, but I guess you have to live with that or you have a wobbly vibrating frame. And the other advantage to it is not so much even just when you're cycling, it's just, and I think I'll use this in other videos, it's just handy to be able to have the camera in front of you while you do other things. You know, I couldn't peel a banana and film with my phone. Obviously you can use the mouth mount as kind of a grip as well, which makes it sort of quite easy to film from other angles, should you wish. And then you can from there just stick it straight back in your mush and carry on filming where you're riding. Yeah, typically I got rained on right at the end of my ride. Another big benefit really is just that when you're travelling at speed, so I think I'm doing 26, 27 miles an hour here, and obviously as you can see I'm able to keep both my hands on the bars, covering the brakes, changing gear if I need, which again I wouldn't generally do. I wouldn't be comfortable travelling at speed holding the GoPro with one of my hands. You can obviously adjust the angle, you can use it as a kind of a, you can actually fold it right down on itself and it hooks over onto your own shirt, or even they say use it as a stand, like sit it on the mouth mount and then point it somewhere, but personally I wouldn't want to do that and then put it back in my mouth. But as things go, yeah, I actually really liked it. It was really quite handy. Definitely I'll be using it on future rides for filming footage as I'm cycling, and probably other things, like I say, the fact you can just pop it in your mouth and film what you're doing with your hands, really quite handy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, but for now my name's Andy and I'll catch you all again soon.